Hello everyone. Welcome to our next sprint video. Previous sprint video. Today we will present you what we have done in the past 2 weeks, as usual. So let me share my screen. Okay. So for this sprint, my goal was to update the authentication methods section. This is how it looks before. We only had some screenshots for every authentication method. So what I did, I created the new subsections for each authentication method. So when we are updating things related to that authentication, methods will be a lot easier. I also add 3 new authentication methods that we didn't have previously described in this section. Other thing that I did is to provide explanations for symbol scaling methods. And I also did some update on the view settings. This means that every time when you create a new project, you can use this option to save that project canvas. And every time when you reopen that project, the canvas will be the same. Other than this, I was working on reviewing some pull requests in our repository, issue triage, and some other things regarding maintenance of QGIS repository. That's from me. Thank you.
Okay, it's my turn. So let me share my screen. In this sprint, I was busy adding dedicated section for the authentication widget. So when loading the data from the data source manager, you'll see the dialogues often have an authentication widget like this. So here in the general tools, let me show you. In the general tools, we created new section under the common widgets where you can find the authentication. It consists of the introduction and then the configurations and the basic tabs which describe further information. We also added cross-reference to the authentication system. Okay, this one. As well as in the opening data chapter, previously the information about the authentication is not evenly distributed throughout each provider. So for instance, in the PostgreSQL part, there was too much text about authentication widget before, while it's not available in the other algorithms. So here we simplified and added cross-reference to each provider. I think that's my update from the authentication. And then just a quick update from my side regarding the geometry checker. It's all completed except the polygon exceeding boundaries algorithm, because it will probably be removed in the future due to some situation that you can check in this pull request. Essentially, we managed to document 20 check geometry algorithms and 10 fixed geometry algorithms. You can access it in the testing version, and in the future I will probably refine this chapter, like fixing the typos, modifying the screenshot, or whatever that needs to be done. That's pretty much from my end. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So from the QGIS website development and maintenance side, I had 3 goals for the previous sprint. The first one was to implement a template website for the QGIS user group. The second one is to improve the QGIS contributors page as the QGIS download page. And the third goal was to deploy some servers for the upcoming infrastructure on staging. For the first goal, I have implemented I have created a new repository for the QGIS user group template website. So it looks like this one. So basically we have the home page, the event page, who we are page, and rule space. So currently it has been transferred to the QGIS GitHub account. Also, for the second call regarding the improvement to the QGIS contributors page, I have splitted the contributors page into 3 pages. So now we have contributing organization, individual contributors, and supporting contributors page. Um, if we go here, yes, there are already some data here. And also I have added some of the supporting contributors from the Google form. Another improvement is on the QGIS download page. It has been just deployed. So now if you go to the download page, you can see this this banner, which should make the downloads button easier to find and to navigate. So here, for example, this is for Windows, but if you scroll down, you will have the same as previously implemented buttons. And here you can switch to another platform for macOS, and it will also update the content regarding each platform, Linux, and so on. Regarding the infrastructure, I have made a dummy roadmap here regarding our progress so far on the infrastructure migration during this year. So basically, we've done the infrastructure design, the configuration for the Django sites and the static sites, some familiarization with the new infrastructure. Currently, we are working on some patches and doing some tests on the staging, implementing some caching and CI/CD improvements. And we can plan an onboarding for the DevOps team starting from the January next year, and live deployment as well. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much.